going down, knowing every night must move along. Darkness never owned the sky, morning always testify. The seed beneath the stubborn stone still find strength to call life home. So me tell the youth, don't lose your fire, keep climbing higher and higher. Babylon build him throne pan sand, Jah build truth with gentle hands. Storms may shake the tallest wall, but righteousness outlive them all. No judge a soul by clothes and name, every heart can carry flame. Somewhere riches, somewhere scars, just still count us by our hearts. The fisherman before sunrise, see hope reflected in him eyes. Him cast him net with humble prayer, knowing Jah provision everywhere. Me hear the breeze through bamboo sing, no king forever wear the ring. Only love survived the years, washing sorrow, drying tears. Congregation, who can buy another sunrise? No one, no one. Who can stop the river flowing? No one, no one. Who can change the human spirit? No one room for anywhere. Babylon sleeping, but the children start to see. Truth unlock the liberty. Raise your voice, stand your ground, let love be the loudest sound. Babylon sleeping, no more fear shall rule today. Babylon sleeping, Jah reveal a better way. Hear the girls them chant, truth inna me heart, peace inna me soul, love inna me words, Jah in control. One blood, one family, one earth, one destiny. One Lord, one family, one love, one destiny. Hear me now. Babylon is not only a place. Babylon is every lie that tells you you are worthless than another. Babylon is every hand that chooses greed instead of mercy. Babylon is every voice that whispers you cannot change. Do not believe it. Every act of kindness is a revolution. Every honest word is a seed. Every forgiving heart is a victory. Wake with purpose. Walk with humility. Stand in truth. And when the world grows noisy, listen. Justice spoke through the wind, through the rain, through the child, through the elder, through the quiet place inside you. Selah. Long about how we did us, walk with harvest is Adam, to your many earth jobs. Birds returning and soil nice and distant voices softly chanting. Truth, never, one blood, one destiny.